Use the elimination method to solve the system of equation x squared minus y squared equals 1, 2x squared minus y squared equals x plus 3. It doesn't matter which variable we eliminate first. Since y squared have the same amount already, we simply take the first equation, multiply -1 to negate every term. We multiply the first equation by -1 to get -x squared plus y squared equals -1. Don't forget the right hand side. The second equation is still the same, 2x squared minus y squared equals x plus 3. We then add the two equation column wise. -x squared plus 2x squared is positive x squared. The y squared term cancelled out. This is x plus 2. -1 plus 3 is 2, 2 plus x. This is a quadratic equation. To solve it, we zero this out. X squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. We can factor this at x minus 2 times x plus 1 equals 0. -2 times 1 is -2. -2 plus 1 is -1. This is the zero product, so each of the factors is 0. And so we have x equals positive 2 or x equals -1. We then perform a back substitution and find y using any equation. We will use the first equation because it looks simpler. The first equation states that when x equals 2, we have x squared, which is 2 squared, minus y squared equals 1. This is 4 minus y squared equals 1, or -y squared equals 1 minus 4 is -3. Y squared is 3, so y equals plus or minus the square root of 3. With x equals 2, we have two solutions. X equals 2, y equals the square root of 3, and when x equals 2, y is -√3. Next, we will plug in x equals -1 to check the other solutions. When x equals -1, the first equation is -1 squared minus y squared equals 1. So this is 1 minus y squared equals 1. -y squared equals 0, and so we must have y equals 0. With x equals -1, we only obtain one solution. X equals -1, y equals 0. So we end up with 3 solutions total. The first one, from the left to the right, x equals -1, y equals 0. X equals 2, y equals -√3, and x equals 2, y equals the square root of 3. There are 3 solutions to this system of equation. We should check the answers though.